YouTube, what's goody? It's your boy Southside Nate, and I'm back with another video. And in today's video, we got another product review that we're gonna do. And today's collaboration is with Headlight, and we got some lights for the OBS, baby. Yes, sir. This should be a quick and simple install. We're gonna put these lights on the big dog. See what they rocking with. But we're gonna start by getting this baby unboxed. But yeah, these the ones we got right here. It's gonna be a nice upgrade for the old truck. But yeah, today's video collaboration is with Headlight. So let me go ahead and get this baby open. Let's check them out, and then we're gonna get them installed. Yes, sir. Let's get it. They come with the whole bracket too. I like that. Oh yes, So yeah, what we got right here is the headlight assembly for the OBS. He's got the built-in LED light bars in them. The wiring for the light bar. Yes, sir. Oh yeah, I think these gonna look good up here. Yes, sir. Oh yeah. All right, well that's everything that was in the box. Well yeah, YouTube, that's the contents of the box. Come with some gloves, the headlight assembly. It come with a little thank you note, little brochure, installation, user manual. And some of these, I guess they like butt connectors that you can hook up the wires with. I'm glad they sent them because I ain't know if I had some, so I'm glad they put those in there. These baby's nice, man. Compared to the stock ones. Yes, sir. Yeah, it's gonna be a major upgrade. As y'all can see, them babies is discolored. That's the only one. This one look like it might have been replaced in the past, but the rest of them look stock. I'm gonna go ahead and pop the hood. We have a series of 7mm bolts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. About 5. And then I know it's some holding these lights in too. So the first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go and take these lights off. Right. That baby's been on there for a minute. All right, once you get the grill out the way, sit it over to the side. Okay, so this whole assembly will come off with the little black bracket that is connected to. It look like it got 4 10mm. Man, this is a very simple install. Y'all see I'm out here with the flops on. I'm just sitting all the bolts right there because I'm about to use them again. All right, so the 9005 is the high beam, and the 9006 is the low beam. I think I'm just gonna do the connector right now. When I take the headlights out of this one, I'm gonna put them right in the other one. Just like that, they out of there. All right, so the left is the driver's side, right is the passenger side. I'm gonna go ahead and swap the bulbs over now. All right, got the bulb swapped over. Quick, simple install. Right. I ain't gonna put too much on it because it is plastic, so up. All right. Let me just quick install. Quick. Okay, on the instructions, it says connect the light bar to the side marker lights using the quick connectors. Now, this is the side marker light. If you ask me, I might have to check online to see, and I might have to look up the wiring to make sure I'm connecting them to the right spot. But let's go ahead and get these installed. Okay, bro. All right, YouTube, just like that, they installed. And we're gonna put some power to this baby and test them out. I ain't tightened my grill back up yet, Cause I might have to go in there and tweak on, mess with the wiring a little bit. Alright, yeah, we got them babies installed. So I do gotta check my wiring for the light bars that's in the headlights. Right now what I got them connected to is a turn signal. So it's a side marker light, I'm thinking it was that. That's a turn signal. So I gotta figure out exactly which light that I gotta connect it to. Then I'm gonna cut y'all back on. I just wanna give y'all a quick look at them. Old lights, new lights. Oh yeah, night light came through with these. There will be a link for this product in the description, and it will be a link to their website if you guys want to give them a chance. If you guys want to check them out, there will be a link in the description for the parts and the website. But yeah, man, I'm gonna cut y'all back on once I get that light, that wiring figured out, and hopefully by then it'll be dark and we can get a good look at these headlights and see how they perform. I like how clear the lenses is, especially compared to those right there. Yeah, they look good. And I'm definitely gonna have to replace these. Them babies all cracked up. The top ones are anyway. And the bottom one cracked on there. I'm gonna replace them. Yes, sir. Cut y'all back on in a minute. Let's get it. Alright, I got the light bars working. So what you have to connect them to is these bulbs right here. The brown go to the brown, the black go to the black. Self-explanatory. So they did good with sending these with the color match wires. So brown to the brown wire, black to the black. Simple. Babies look good. I drove this baby to work this morning too, so I had to be to work at 3 a.m. So yeah, they work good. I like the clear lenses. Yes, sir. Boy, them babies bright. Hold on. Even with the light bar, just the light bar and the side marker lights on, this baby's super bright. Overall, I'm pleased with it. Super easy install. Even wiring up the light bar was easy. Once I figured out exactly where they went, super easy. They basically got the wires color matched. Well, yeah, look good, boy. I'm gonna give them a 10 out of 10, boy. Shout out to Nightlight. And with the clear lenses, I mean, my headlights get their full beam like they supposed to. Boy, look at that. Light bars on. I'm gonna have to catch it in the daytime to get a good look at the light bars. Well, that thing got a glare. As soon as you get in front of it. Made the big dog look aggressive though. Yes, sir. But yeah, I like these lights. My baby's nice. Okay, YouTube, so this is going to wrap up the product review. There will be a link to this product in the description below. There will be a link to their website in the description below. For this product, this is a headlight assembly for a 88 to 98 Chevrolet or GMC OBS truck. So that'd be Suburban, Sierra, Silverados, C15, K15. Yes, the link will be in the description. So that's going to wrap up this product review. I am highly pleased with them. They get a truck a nice aggressive look. I will be shopping with them in the future. But yeah, I'm going to go ahead and end this video out, man. Y'all like, share, comment, subscribe. And I'll catch y'all in the next one. I'm out. Peace.